I am the CEO, Dr. Colonel Atul Bhandari. I would recommend that the parents must heed the advice and guidelines being given in this video. It is probably the most important video you'd be receiving because it concerns the safety of our children. Today I am going to speak about the safety of our children while commuting from home to school and school to home in your private car. I will share a few guidelines. Number one, please ensure that the child is not in a hurried state to leave for school in the morning. This means the child must go to bed the previous night well in time so that he or she is not forced to hurry up to leave for school in the morning. His bag should be ready, everything to be taken to school should be ready and packed so that he just has to have a bath, get ready and leave for school. Next, please ensure that the parents themselves, if possible, should come to the school to drop the child, either the father or the mother, whosoever drives the car. If for some reason that is not feasible, please ensure that the driver you select is a mature person who's trained and most importantly understands the huge onus of responsibility on his shoulders of making the children reach safely to the school. You must brief him, you must make him understand that there is no hurry. In the school, I will not penalize any child for being late because his safety is more important to me. So tell them to drive safely and cautiously, leave well in time so that they reach here without being hurried and rude. The driver has to be briefed by you very carefully. They must adhere to the speed limits. During foggy weather or bad weather, he must drive very slowly and cautiously. Your car must have fog lights which must be in working condition and should be switched on because the safety is very important. Next, the car must drop the child inside the school. That is right at the entrance where the steps are of the building, at the entrance of the main building. That is where he will drop. There must be no drop on the road outside the school, outside the main gate. The road, as you're aware, is very open, the traffic is less, so people tend to drive very fast there. So that area is unsafe for a child to be dropped. The child must be dropped and at the end of the school picked up also from inside the school premises. The child will not be permitted to leave walking outside the school gates with immediate effect because the road outside is very risky. Next, please brief your driver and parents, ensure it yourself also that the the car must never be left in an idling position that the engine is running because accidentally the child's hand or foot may touch the gear lever and the car may move forward or reverse depending on how the gear lever has been touched. I have seen such things happening. So please ensure that whenever you get outside the car, even if it is for 10 seconds, switch off the engine, put on the handbrake and only then get down from the car because safety is critical. So I would recommend please brief your children also that they must be careful when they board the car, when they get out of the car, whether it is at home or in school. Please ensure that you have a system that if they notice that the driver is driving fast, they should give you feedback because we are dealing with a very serious issue, that is the safety of your child. So that is it, parents. Please ensure these guidelines are followed in letter and spirit. I want our children to be very safe and I need your cooperation for that. Thank you.